If you're new to the Quest 2, this video will just make your whole experience of using it so much better, with mistakes to avoid and lots of tips along the way. So let's get straight to it. Quite often people experience poor quality and blurry images because they haven't done some of the basic things. Firstly, you need to adjust your lenses to match the distance between your eyes. And there are 3 official settings, but you can also adjust them slightly in between settings, which gives you more options to get that perfect image. When you put the headset on with the included head strap, put the headset onto your eyes first and then pull the strap across your head. And doing it this way, you'll avoid wiping your greasy hair onto the lenses, which will make your images look horrible and blurry. And remember, if you do get some grease or dirt onto your lenses, keep them clean by using a lens cloth. Once the headset's on, you need to take your time to adjust the headset correctly for your eyes. The slightest movement up or down or in or out can cause blurry images. And of course, this may just be a good time to go to the opticians and get your eyes tested as well. If you do need to wear glasses, there is a spacer included in the box which helps push your glasses away from the headset lenses to stop you damaging them. And you can also get some specialist prescription lenses that fit straight onto the headset. When you buy and install your first game, remember that you don't have to wait there with the headset on to wait for it to install. Once you've clicked install, the game will carry on installing, so you can take the headset off. Games like Medal of Honor take hours and hours to install, so plan your install time. Don't invite your mates around to play on your Quest 2 and then find you've got to sit there waiting for games to install. If you haven't played VR before, then avoid the intense games at first. Epic Roller Coasters has a free demo, and we all like free stuff, but that game can put you off of VR for life if you suffer with motion sickness. Build yourself up slowly and always look at the comfort ratings on a game before you buy them. Another top tip though when you buy a game is that if you do make a mistake and you get a game that makes you sick, or you don't like it for any other reason, if you haven't owned the game for more than 14 days and you haven't played it for more than 2 hours, then you can get a no quibble refund. Just go to the menu in the app and go to settings and purchase history and then select request a refund. It's that simple. The Guardian boundary is what keeps you safe and stops you from trashing your house. When you mark out your Guardian boundary, bring it in at least a foot from walls and other objects. This will help prevent you from hitting walls or smashing the head off of a brand new, most treasured Christmas tree decoration that your wife just bought. There are lots of options with the Guardian menu and lots of things that you can change to help make it safer, so check it out in the menu here. I can't reiterate enough how important it is to use your hand straps. Even yesterday I was playing 11 table tennis and I went to put my controllers down on the table tennis table. It sounds ridiculous, but it just plays with your mind and you think that the tables in front of you are real, and for that one moment in time it's just so easy to put your controllers down and they fall on the floor and you trash them. If you use your Quest 2 regularly with somebody else and you're constantly swapping and changing the headset between each other, then I highly recommend getting a quick release head strap. The Elite strap, or this one from Kiwi design, they're just so much more comfortable and so much more convenient, and they make your gameplay more enjoyable because you're not adjusting the strap every 10-15 minutes. Most of us do sweat as well, so if you're sharing a headset, then a wipeable facial interface is a must-have. I just upgraded my headset to a 256GB version, and that came with a silicone cover that goes on the interface, but it's not as good as the ones that you can get from the likes of VR Cover. The VR Cover ones are not only wipeable, but they also offer extra padding as well, so they're much more comfortable. When you finish playing your Quest 2, it's really easy to think that you've turned it off because you quickly press the on and off button once, and all you've done is you've put it into standby mode. And then the next time you go and grab your headset, it's been left on the side in standby mode and the battery may well be dead. To properly turn your headset off, press and hold the on button for several seconds, and you'll hear the noise that you'll get used to when the headset goes off, and you'll see the light go off on the headset on the side, and when you bring the headset up to your eyes it won't respond, so you know it's definitely off. And then this way you won't be disappointed the next time you go and grab your headset and you want to play. This isn't a best practice video, but one of the things that you can do in order to make sure that your battery is always fully charged when you go to use it is to use a magnetic charging stand. This means that when you finish playing, you just put your headset into the stand and then it automatically starts charging. It does mean though that it stays on charge once it's fully charged, which may or may not be the best thing for the headset. The other thing I do when I'm on there with my son, because we can be on there for 4 hours playing Saints and Sinners, swapping and changing the headset, that is, I use a power bank. Again, this isn't something that Meta recommends, but it's something that I do and something I haven't had a problem with. Others have had problems, so do your own research. And also, when you finish playing on your headset, don't leave it anywhere where it can get exposed to direct sunlight. The lenses will magnify the sunlight and you'll damage your headset. And to be extra safe, you can get some lens protectors that go over the top of your lenses. Not only will they stop the sun coming through, but they'll also stop you scratching your lenses accidentally. Let me know any of the mistakes that you've made and share your top tips in the comments below. My name's Rich, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.